If you are looking for a relaxing and comfortable stay in Paphos, you might want to consider the Leonardo Plaza Cypria Maris Beach Hotel and Spa. This hotel is located on a sandy beach close to the city centre and the airport. It is an adults-only hotel, so you can enjoy some peace and quiet without any kids around. The hotel has a large pool, a spa centre, 2 tennis courts, and a squash court. You can also play golf or go-karting nearby. The hotel offers 4 restaurants where you can taste different cuisines, from international to Asian to Greek. The food is delicious and varied, and you can choose from a buffet or a la carte options. Many guests praise the food quality and the service. However, not everything is perfect at this hotel. Some guests complained about the noise in their rooms, especially from the nearby road and the music at night. Some guests also felt that the hotel was not worth the money they paid, and that they received different treatment depending on their room type or booking method. Some guests also wished that the hotel had more entertainment options, such as evening shows or activities. Overall, the Leonardo Plaza Cypria Maris Beach Hotel and Spa is a great choice for couples or solo travelers who want to relax and enjoy the beach and the sun. Most guests had a positive experience and would recommend this hotel to others. However, if you are looking for a budget-friendly or a family-friendly hotel, you might want to look elsewhere.